Hi everyone, it's Lauren. I was planning on putting a few videos together for Mother's Day. It's only a few weeks away, and I know some of us sometimes have a hard time picking up the right gift. And I consider myself very lucky because I have a mom that has many hobbies, and it seems like every few weeks she comes up with something new. She loves to garden, she loves to cook, she's very stylish. She loves to do things around the house, and she loves to read and write, likes to travel, so she's constantly clipping things or taking pictures and saving them. So it's very easy to either get her something that she has been interested in the past, or something to give her a new idea or kind of encourage her to pick up something new. So I consider myself very lucky. So I was thinking maybe I can put all those ideas, all the things that I have done in the past that she has enjoyed getting involved in because of the gift that I have given her. So maybe some of those would help you to pick something beautiful, something very nice, something useful that will make mom very happy. So I hope this will help with the time you're spending online or on foot going to the store to pick something perfect for mom. And I hope these will help you, give you some ideas. Thank you for watching, and if you have subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, please go ahead and look at all of our videos. They are interesting, they are helpful, there are some how-tos, they're just some nice, lovely videos about nature, gardening, cooking, and I am sure you will enjoy watching them. Thank you again for watching, and I hope this will be helpful and will help you become something really special and very nice for mom. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm trying to put a gift together for mom that is going to help her with her writing and keeping things organized when she's traveling. So it's concentrated on writing, reading, and if she likes to take little trips, how she can keep all her notes and her souvenirs and her photos all in one place. So I have picked up a nice bag for her that she can carry, like a travel bag. And I put this, I actually had these. When I see these, I always like to collect them. It's either a hair clip or it's a brooch, it's a pin. But I also use them on my handbags, on my purses. I think they're beautiful, just a beautiful flower brooch. And you can even use it on your shawls. That's a whole different video. But for now, just to make this plain bag a little more interesting, I am putting this on the bag. And she can use it as a brooch, or she can put it on your head. All right, now all the supplies that I think she can be using when she's reading, writing, or traveling, that will be helpful to her. And I'm going to put all of them, wrap them up, put a nice bow on them, and put them on in this bag. So I have hand lotion for her that she will probably need when she's traveling. You know how it is when it's change of weather, change of air. Even in the plane, it's usually nice to moisturize your hands or your face. Then I have a mask for her when she's traveling in the car or when she's flying. It's always nice to take the distractions away and take a 15-minute, 20-minute nap. That's very nice. I got her earbuds that she can use. Mom. You can't give that to anyone else. It only goes to mom. I have a beautiful fountain pen for her. She can write her recipes, she can write her stories, she can write her thoughts, her beautiful places that she has been and she doesn't want to forget about them. She can make notes on the places she has been, or nice letters and postcards when she wants to have all of us part of her traveling or part of her experience. So a beautiful fountain pen from Jinhao, and She loves fountain pens, so this is going to be something added to her collection. I also include a nice leather wallet that it's roomy enough that she can have her passport in here, and she can have some of her credit cards, not everything, some tickets, and even it's large enough that she can put some little notebooks in there if she wants to keep them separate from everything else. It's usually a good idea when you're traveling not to have everything in one place. I usually have some in my purse and have some on a belt that I wear. Money, identification, they're never all in one place. Just keep track of them, and that way if something happens, misplaced, stolen, you still have a way of getting things done because you don't have all your identification and money in one place. And I also have included a very nice soft shawl, preferably all silk, cotton, or cashmere, which would be easy to clean, easy to wash, and it would dry really fast and keeps you nice and warm and comfortable. For her to keep all her notes together, I have a very nice collection of Traveler's Notebook. Just to show you how this collection looks like, I had to stop and re-angle the camera so you can see it very well. You have to see this because this was a wonderful way of keeping all your writing together. And I thought it's something that I need to share with whoever wants to write or wants to travel and keeps a good track of all the notes and all the notebooks. So I have put together a binder. This is Traveler's Notebook binder. It comes with 5 metal holders, which I'm gonna call it the holders. It holds up to 5 notebooks, just regular size journaling notebooks. I'll show you the thickness of it. And as you write, or as you use stickers, or you use maybe clippings that you like to put in the notebooks, as this gets thicker, there's still plenty of room to hold 5 notebooks in each individual metal pieces. And I will include pictures of how this binder actually looks like and how it will hold all the notebooks together. So with the binder, I included her Traveler's Notebook. This is just a notebook with white paper, and I included one with just plain paper, no lines, so she can do her sketching. This is a sketch paper. So if she sees a tree, a plant, a flower that she likes to draw in her notebooks and keep a track of it, this would be a very nice quality paper. So that's another one. And also one that is just blank, no lines. Again, just in case she wants to glue or tape something she has seen, or something like a ticket, or a photo or an article that someone has given her, or something that she has seen somewhere, so she can put it in this notebook. They all would fit back into her binder. So as she uses these and she wants to buy more to keep up with her traveling, or even note-taking, or if she's at home and just gardening or cooking and she sees interesting articles that she likes to write and remember, she can put it in these notebooks, and as they are filled and done with, last page is used, she can put it in his binder and start with a new one. The notebook also comes with the 12 pocket holders. These are plastic pockets in case you want to hold on to any kind of tickets or little souvenirs that you have picked up, photos, So I got her one of these too, because I know she doesn't throw away anything. She likes to hold on to things and remember them. And also, of course, sticky notes. In case you want to remind yourself of something and you're traveling, just put it on the mirror or put it on your desk or put it on your phone for the next day, so you can remind yourself of what you needed to remember for that day. So I think this would be a very nice start for her, and she can always ask for these when a special occasion comes up, or she can get it for herself and refill her notebook. I think this is a great gift for mom, or for your mom if you think she is someone that likes to write, read, or travel. This is a wonderful way of putting all her notes and thoughts in one place, and then just store it in a bookcase or in the library. I think she will like this very much. I also got her a traveler's little safekeep envelope. They come in 2 sizes. This is the little one. I think this would be just perfect. And then I'm going to wrap it for mom. Put these this way. I think this is going to be so exciting when she opens this. I think she really, really enjoyed it. She's a very organized person, and she sees this. It's going to give her so many ideas to keep her notes together and put them somewhere that she knows she can always go back, refer to them, or reminisce about them. And here it is, everything together in this beautiful, nice, very useful basket. She can take it shopping, or she can take it traveling with her. And she has more gifts inside: the nice travelers accessories, the binder, the notebooks, the Jinhao fountain pen that I'm sure she's going to use, and she's going to love adding it to her collection. The nice wallet for her tickets, credit cards, even her phone accessories, the shawl, and also the hand lotion that I have included in here. I know my mom would love this. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gives you some ideas for a very nice Mother's Day gift. And of course, you can always give her some flowers too. Thank you again for watching. Okay, here is my traveler's notebook binder with the 5 metal dividers. And I'm just taking one out easily, just slip it out. I have my notebook that I have written in it, and I'd like to store it away. So I put the middle part in the middle. I slide one part in. I put my notebook, take the middle part, and I slip it right into the other side. And that's it. And you have plenty of room here in case you want to add things to your notebook, and extra pages of stickers, photos, articles. You can tape it in your book. And this is for 5 notebooks, but there is plenty of room there for your notebooks to get fat with extra things that you'd like to add to it. So this is a pretty nice, sturdy binder, and you just store it away.